Hello friends, good day to all. Today I am going to show you how to prepare mushroom fried rice. It is a simple and a quick dish to prepare, and important part of fried rice is you need to stir the fried rice in high flame. The whole dish you need to do it in high flame, then only you will get a restaurant style fried rice. Let's start with the preparation. So these are all the ingredients I have taken. This is a garlic, chopped garlic, and then carrot, and then one green chilli, and then beans, and then I have taken the cabbage. So these are all the vegetables I have taken apart from mushroom. And this is one mushroom. This is a 300 grams of mushroom, and then I have chopped the mushroom pieces like this. So first what we are going to do is I am going to marinate the mushroom. So for that I am adding some required amount of salt, and then 1 tablespoon of chili powder, and then 1 tablespoon of garam masala to it. Mix all the things very well and let this get marinated for some half an hour or 20 minutes. Then only mushroom will be very flavorful and the dish will be very tasty. After 20 minutes, I have taken a pan like this, and in the pan I am adding a 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil into it. Once the oil got heated, I am going to add the mushroom pieces to the oil. Keep your flame very high so that it will fry very deeply. See, once you have added the mushroom pieces, mushroom will start releasing the water from it. Don't worry, keep your flame high itself, and then after some 4 to 5 minutes the water will get drain off and you will start to see the oil get separating. So let's wait for some 4 to 5 minutes. See, all the water got drain off now, and you can switch off the gas at this stage and keep this content aside. Now in the hot kadai like this, add some 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil got heated, add the finely chopped garlic to it. Stir the garlic for 2 minutes in a high flame. Now add the green chilli to it. Now you can start adding the vegetables one by one. First add the carrot, beans, and then the grated cabbage. Okay. Then mix all the content very well. Fry all these vegetables in the high flame for some 5 to 6 minutes. Now add the required amount of salt and then the black pepper powder. So we have added 1 green chilli already. So add the black pepper accordingly how much spiciness you want. Now you can start adding the mushroom which we have already prepared and fried. Mix all these things very well. See, it's look very colorful. That's all. The mixing content is almost ready now. Finally, I am going to add the egg to it. You can avoid the egg if you are a vegetarian, or if you don't like egg also you can avoid. If we add egg means it will increase the flavor of taste, and the fried rice will be really very tasty. So for that I am adding some 2 tablespoon of oil, and then I am adding 2 egg. For egg separately I am adding the pepper powder and the salt which is required for the egg, and mix it well and form a egg podi mass. See, the egg podi mass is ready now. We can mix the egg to the mushroom content which we have prepared. Okay, so I am going to mix it now. Let's watch it. Wow, the smell is very good actually. The smell of mushroom, egg and other vegetables is really very good. That's all. Content is ready now. Then we will move to the rice preparation. So what I have did is I have taken 1 cup of basmati rice, and then I have soaked in water for some 20 minutes. After 20 minutes I am going to cook this. For that I am adding some 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil to it, and then I am adding the required amount of water so that the rice will not get stick to each other. Place this content in the gas or the induction stove based on your convenience and cook it very well. So approximately it will take some 10 minutes to cook. See, after 10 to 12 minutes the rice got cooked now. Now drain all the water completely from this rice. See, I am draining the water. Now transfer the rice to the plate like this and allow this to get it cooled for some 10 to 15 minutes. Because if you mix this immediately with your mushroom content, what it will happen is the rice will start to break down, and the purpose of fried rice will itself get spoiled. So I am adding the rice after some 10 to 15 minutes to the mushroom content and mix all the content very well. Again keep your flame high now and mix it. Mix very slowly. In such a case rice will not get broken. Complete the preparation process by adding the 1 to 2 tablespoons of lemon juice or the soya sauce based on your taste. That's all. The flavorful, colorful, tasty mushroom fried rice is ready now. You can have this as your lunch or your dinner. It will be really very tasty. Please try this excellent recipe and eat along with your family member. Enjoy your day, enjoy your weekend. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching my video. Bye bye. If you like my videos, please subscribe and support me. Thank you.